Hello everyone. Here we are going to see about the importance of big data and its technology. Here I am going to present my screen. So, how the big data transforms the technology. Big data is more than just a buzzword. It is the key to unlocking the future of technology by harnessing vast amount of data. We can uncover insights that driven innovation, efficiency, and growth across industries. From personalized experience to predictive analytics, big data is transforming how business operate and how we live our lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must prioritize data ethics and security. We must embrace this digital evolution. The future is bright and big data is leading the way. It's embrace it, innovation, and shape the smarter world together. So we are aware of these things very well. So with this thought, we are moving to the presentation. Introduction to big data. So big data is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Yes, big data is transforming our interaction by harnessing vast volumes of information. It offers insights that were previously unimaginable. So it is encompass vast volume of information that can be analyzed for insights. So we here, this is the very important stage to understand about the big data. So what is big data? Big data refers to the massive amount of structured and unstructured data generated every seconds. Everyone is generating data in every second. This data can be harnessed to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that were previously unimaginably driving innovation and efficiency. People using all the data to find out something in a very easy way, which is uncovering patterns, trends. It is showing patterns. It is it is giving information through trends and correlations. So this is what about big data. The 5 V's of big data. We are being in a very important uh, topics in this subtopic in this topic. So big data is characterized by 5 V's. What is the first one? The first one is volume. Second one is velocity. Third one is variety. And then fourth one is veracity. And fifth one is value. So understanding these dimension is very, very important. Because so the volume of data is very high. We all know about the name itself, it is having and defining the nature of data. Big data. No. So big data, it is having 5 important characteristics. What is the first one? It is having the high volume of data and the velocity of data and the variety of data. As we said in the previous presentation, previous slide, so it is promoting, it is projecting the data in various forms. So it is having variety of data and then veracity of data. So habitually, it is showing truthful data and accuracy things officially. Uh, Officially, it is a very perfect information means, so that is called as a veracity information. So and the value of the data is very, very high. So understanding these dimensions is essential for leveraging data efficiency and making informed decision in technology and business. So we people are using big data in various tech field. The very important booming field is healthcare. So usually in the markets, we people understand that healthcare industry is a very important industry because it is growing in a daily basis, and it is understanding its transformation from normal environment into tech environment. So big data in healthcare is the very first implication in big data in tech field. So in the healthcare sector, big data is transforming patient care by analyzing vast data set. So professionals can predict outbreaks, personalize treatment plans, and improve operational efficiency, ultimately leading the better health outcomes. It is leading the better health outcomes. So it is transforming the data in a predictive basis to individual to group. So the data sets are making high impact in healthcare industry. And then big data in finance. In financial institutions utilize big data to detect fraud, assess risk, and personalize service. By analyzing customer data, bank and it can tailor the products to the individual needs, enhance customer service and loyalty. By personalizing the service to the individual customer, that leads to satisfaction and the loyalty. So the customer used to think that we used to get a remedy for all our uh, issues, means the customer will feel the satisfaction, and they will surely show their loyalty. So it is AI based big data detecting fraudulent very, very efficient manner and a very specific manner. So assessing risk and personalizing services leads to all positive impacts in the finance field. And then big data in retail, it is a very, very important field because the high volume of economy is growing in this field, no? So retailers leverage big data to understand consumer behavior, optimize inventory, and enhance the shopping experience. By analyzing purchase patterns, business can anticipate demand and create targeted marketing strategy. So big data uh, creates the consumer behavior in a understand the consumer's behavior, and it is working on their needs without telling something. It is understanding the optimization of inventory according to the culture of the buyer behavior and the culture of the environment. Like that, people used to experience the enhanced shopping services. So by analyzing purchase patterns, we used to get more efficient purchase patterns. We used to create so many customers out of that, and we used to predict all those things. So it is anticipating demand, and it creates market strategies in a very efficient manner. So high volume business are going on in retail. So this area is very important area to understand the big data, and implementing the big data is very, very important. So those are the main important tech areas which driven the data and exploring the things and expressing everything for the enhancement of the business and business strategies. So here we are going to see about the challenges of big data. Even though we people are saying so many supports we are earning out of the big data, but even though it is having some few challenges. So what is that? So despite its potential, big data present challenges such as data privacy and then security concern and the need for enhanced analytical skills. So addressing these challenges is crucial for organization to fully harness the power of data. So to utilize the power of data, to enhance the power of data, we need to be high in this the above mentioned information, the above mentioned points, because data privacy is very, very critical in this situation. So all the area people are if people are more, people are um, how to say unethically using our data due to lack in data privacy. So security concern, people are giving so many applications, they are giving awareness programs. Still, we are facing so many security problems to manage our data and the need for advanced analytics. So that is very, very important to manage all these challenges, to overcome all these challenges. So these are the things the big data field is facing. So in this big data field, because it is a fastly growing field, AI is automatically working the expected informations by one prompt itself. So to overcome or to work efficiently means, so we need to understand the future trends of big data. In the future of big data, um, we used to work in AI integration. The big data field is very bright, we know very well, but AI integration is very effectively growing. And then real-time analytics. AI itself doing the real-time analytics in a very efficient manner and enhanced data visualization. So it is a very, very important thing. So many data visualization tools are getting trend, so to view, to understand, to merge or to analyze the big data, the visualization, data visualization tools are very, very important. These advancements will empower organizations to make quicker, more informed decisions, driving innovation. So these all things are leads to innovation. So the future of big data is very bright, and there are so many effective trends are growing in the field. So, and the next topic is, so ethics in big data. So as we embrace big data, ethical consideration must be prioritized, ensuring transparency, concern, and data protection will foster trust and responsibility in how organizations handle sensitive information, because so many ethical problems, issues are going on to manage the big data. So as we all aware about the Google case, which is going on in US, so all search engines or all data prioritized websites are using the informations of the common man in a sometimes they do ethically, so most of the times they do not do the formal things. So that's lead to unethical mishandling of data. So that leads to lack of privacy in our data. So the big data following institutions need to work in the big data field in an ethical way. So embracing, we are in the stage of embracing big data. So it attracts very well. So we as a MBA student, we all are taking this course for the high paid salary jobs. No, So the big data field is giving, the analytics field is giving high paid jobs. In this trend, we used to attract the big uh, salary package. So we need to aware about all these things. In conclusion, the transformative power of big data in technology cannot be overstated. By harnessing its potential responsible, we can unlock new opportunities, drive progress, and create a better future for all. So, this is all about the technology and big data field. So, we had seen about the present trend of big data and the future of big data. So, how people are ethically doing, what are the challenges in big data, and all. And we had especially seen about the meaning of big data. So this is what about the things I wish to share with you all. Thank you. Bye bye.